Dear students, today we have discussed about forms of government based on democracy. Parliamentary is presidential form of government. Democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which eligible citizens participate equally either directly or indirectly through the representatives. There are two types of democracy. First one parliamentary form of democracy, another one presidential form of democracy. Parliamentary government or parliamentary system. Parliamentary government, a democratic form of government in which people vote for those who represent the political party they feel best represent their views of how the government should operate. In a parliamentary democracy, parliament, the legislature the people elect, makes and enforces the laws of the country. The leader is often called a prime minister and the prime minister is a member of parliament. The prime minister is usually chosen by the political party that wins a majority of representatives in the parliament. The Prime Minister is the head of the government. The Prime Minister leads the executive branch of the government and must answer directly to the for the action taken and the policies recommended. In many parliamentary democracies, a head of state like a queen, king or president is the head of state but is basically a ceremonial leader. A prime minister holds power for the term of office set by a country's constitution. A prime minister leads the work done by the parliament and the prime minister is helped by his cabinet, a group of advisors. A prime minister may be voted out of office before his or her terms runs out if the party he or she leads begins to lose power. New elections may be held before the Prime Minister's term of office is over. Another type of presidential system or presidential government. A democratic form of government in which a president is chosen to be the leader. The executive branch exists separately from the legislature, to which it is generally not accountable. A president or chief executive is chosen separately from the legislature. A president is an separate branch of a government. The legislature passes the laws and the president sees that the laws are enforced. The president holds power separately from the legislature, but the president does not have the power to dismiss the legislature or force them to make specific laws. The president is the official head of government. The legislature does not have the power to dismiss the president except in severe cases. Example, when the president has broken a law. The president is both the head of state and the head of the government. Difference in presidential and parliamentary governments. The presidential relationship voters elect the legislature and the chief executive who is part of the executive branch. The legislature and executive are independent and co-equal. Voters elected in the legislative branch, another one executive branch. The executive branch is head of the chief executive. Another one parliamentary government. The parliamentary relationship voters elect the legislature. The chief executive is drawn from the legislatures. Example in the picture, voters elected in legislative branch, chief executive in legislative branch. Comparison between parliamentary and presidential form of government. First one, in the parliamentary form of government, there are two heads. One is a nominal head, while another is the real head. For example, in India, the president is the nominal head, while the prime minister is the real head. The president of India is the head of state, while the prime minister is the head of government. But in the presidential form of government, there is only one head. The president of America is the head of state as well as the head of government. Another one, in the parliamentary system, the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister is responsible to the legislature. But in the presidential type, the President and his ministers are not responsible to the legislatures. Another one, in the parliamentary type, the Council of Ministers will lose office if it loses the vote of confidence or no confidence. But in the presidential type, the president cannot be ousted from power by a vote of no confidence. He can be removed from office, though impeachment, which is much more difficult than the vote of confidence or no confidence. In the parliamentary system, the government does not enjoy a fixed tenure. For example, in India, the government can stay in power for 5 years, but any time during this period, the government can be removed from power through a vote of no confidence. In the presidential system, the president has generally a fixed tenure because it is not easy to impeach him. Another one, there is not strict separation of powers in the parliamentary type. The ministers are also members of the legislature, but in the presidential type, the principle of separation of powers is strictly followed. In the US, the president and his ministers are not members of the Congress. Another one, in the parliamentary system, the prime minister is not fully free to choose his ministers. He has to choose them from among the members of parliament. But in the presidential system, the president enjoys much more freedom in selecting his ministers. He selects them from a much wider field, taking into account their experience and expertise. Another one, at the time of crisis, the presidential executive is more successful in taking prompt and bold decisions than the parliamentary government. Another one, the presidential system of government provides more political stability than the parliamentary form of government. Last one, as the government in the parliamentary system is responsible to the parliament, it is more democratic and respectful of public opinion than the presidential executive, which is not responsible to the legislature. Comparison of parliamentary and presidential system. Structure of the executive, single-headed in presidential system, double-headed in parliamentary system. Source of executive, people in presidential, parliament in parliamentary system. Responsibility of the executive to parliament, presidential in no, parliamentary yes. Cancel of parliament by the executive, presidential no, parliament yes. Same person be part of legislative and executive, not possible in presidential system, possible in presidential parliament system. Take part in the works of parliament by executive, not possible in the presidential system, possible in parliamentary system. Thank you very much.